Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all fine. I Hina Vora welcome you all YouTube video presentation SDMES English Medium School. Today class is for standard 2 subject is English. In this video class we are going to learn about the articles a and n. Topic is articles A and N. Okay, student. First, let's compare A and N. We're using A and N. Okay. When we are using A and N, we are use A before words which begin with consonant like what is consonant B C D F G H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y Z. This is our what consonant. In this we are using A. What A? We are using A. We use A before words which begin with B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Words that does not contain starting of words with A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U what? A, I, O, U is vowel. Okay, student? Do you understand it? A is whenever you use only B, C, D, F, G, H, J are using. Consonants Consonants are alphabet that are not vowels. Got it? Consonants are alphabets that are not vowels. For example, how to use A? Uses used before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a lamb, a cat. This is shown in image. A doctor, a car, a girl, a man. When consonants are uses B, C, D, F, G, H, J, we are use A. Okay guys, you got it this? Now go to next slides. We also use A before U when it sounds like the word U and before U. What? We also use A before U when it sounds like the word U and before U. For example, words that are sounds like U start with U. University. A university. Sounds like U start with a university. Student, please concentrate this. We are using A when it sounds like the word U before U. E and U. Sounds like U start with a university. Second example, sounds like U start with U. E, U. A European city. A European city. Again I repeat, we also use A before U when it sounds like the word U and before U. E, U. Sounds like start with U. University. University. So we will use A. What? We will use A. A university. Now student, second example. Sounds like you start with European. Sounds like you start with EU. Same as sounds like you start with U. A European city. European city. A European city. A European city. Got it? Now let's talk about. Now let's begin with article an. So student, this is how we can identify the word, and according to that we can use an article an. Now let's talk about an. We use an before words which begin with vowels. We seen in this before. We use an before words which begin with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Vowels is what? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels 5 of 26 alphabets. Vowels. How many alphabets? 26 alphabets are vowels. For example, an apple, an eraser, an umbrella, an egg. This is our vowels. Vowels are what? Whenever using A, E, I, O, U, we can take it N. What? N. We use N, N. Now again I repeat. Again. Go to first slides. Consonant is what? B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L. Consonant. Student, you got it this? Vowels is what? A, E, I, O, U. We use a before words which begin with consonant B, C, D, F. We understand its. What is the example? How to use a? Uses before you beginning with a consonant sound. A van, a car, a lamb. This is a lamb. This is a car. This is a cat. There is a man. We can this take it example. We are using a. Understand this? Whenever you using a, consonant words are starting. A man, a lamb, a cat. We also use a before you when it sounds like the word you and before you. Uh, Student, university, European, you. That means not up. We take it an. We take it a. Sounds like start with you. A university, a European city. What we are using a. Student, hope you are understand this. If any query, please contact me. Now let's begin with article n. I repeat this again. We use and before words which begin with vowels a, e, I, o, u. What is our vowels is what? A, E, I, O, U. Example is that is an apple. This is an eraser. This is an umbrella. This is an egg. Guys, do you understand this? Student, understand this? We repeat this 2 times. Hope you understand this and you all like to my video. Thank you.